So I've got this soup here today. It's coconut based. We've got ginger in there, lemongrass, star anise, and then we've got some fish fillet, some squid or calamari, and we've got prawns or shrimps. It takes absolutely no time to get this together, and it is wow, we were delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Looks like quite a lot, but it's not that much really. So at the back, I've got 1, 2, 3. About 1 cup each of a fish. I'm using a dory fish fillet, prawns or shrimps, and calamari. Now, all of these were frozen. I got them from frozen, just put them into some cold water and let them do their thing for a bit and defrosted them. I've got 1 pint of coconut there, coconut milk, 1 cup of onion, just over a cup of bell peppers. These chilies here, which I'm saying is a cup, you can see they're just slightly different. These are not massively hot, but they've got a kick to them, but they're not, hugely hot. 1 stalk of celery, tablespoon maybe there, or just over, of ginger, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 dried red chilies, a little bit of star anise. There's probably 2 there actually. One's whole and the other one's a bit broken, but yeah, 2 star anise. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil. So I've got here a skillet pan or something like that. You need a wok or something. I'm using today some canola oil. You could use sunflower oil or sesame oil if you wanted. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to start off by dropping in the ginger, the star anise, the dried red chili, the 1 stalk of celery, and the 1 cup of onion. Now, I didn't speak to you just a moment ago, about the lemongrass, which I'm going to do right now. So I've got 3 stalks of lemongrass, and what I've done is I've just split it down the middle like that, and then I beat it with the back of my knife just to sort of open it out a bit so they can go in straight away. And doing that just sort of releases the flavour from them. Okay, about 4 minutes on an above medium heat. Throw this around in the pan, then we're going to add some other ingredients. Beautiful. I'm going to start off by dropping in our calamari or squid rings. Like I say, these are a frozen type. Just dropped them into some cold water, let them do their thing for a few minutes. They soften nicely. Now we're going to add a nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this because we're going to add a tablespoon of fish sauce, and that really is salty, but if you want you can adjust it and add a little bit of regular salt. Okay, 4 more minutes here, stirring it around. Let's get this calamari or squid happening. So look, I just added ginger to this, but if you wanted you could have put some garlic in as well. I mean, I just skipped the garlic today. Now we're going to go that 1 cup of prawns or shrimps. Again, frozen. Popped them into some cold water. Let them do their thing. We're going to go for another 4 minutes now. Again, keep it moving, stir frying away. It's going to be really amazing, this. Okay, this is pretty much the last stage. Everything else is going to go in now. So we're going to add that 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to add in those chilies, which, like I say, are not super crazy hot. 1 tablespoon fish sauce, very salty. 1 cup of the fish fillet. I'm using a dory fish. You could use any fish you want. 1 cup of bell peppers. What a fabulous mixture. Lemongrass, ginger, star anise, the turmeric. Really good stuff. Right, now we're going to add 1 pint of coconut milk, and I'm just going to put some water into this. We've got half a pint of water, or stock if you wanted. Really good. Okay, stay on this heat 5 or 6 minutes. This will be done. Okay, that's boiling away really nicely. Off goes the heat. Check the salt levels of that. For me, it's fine. Let me get that in a bowl. I'm going to top that just with some fresh cilantro and some green onions. Okay, there you go. Just top that with some cilantro or coriander and a little bit of green onion. That is absolutely magnificent, that soup. Really, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.